Hello everybody! Yes, if you girls see this beautiful chandelier stand, what we're gonna talk? We're gonna talk about gift with purchase. Nordstrom gift with purchase. And today, I'm bringing you Estee Lauder gift with purchase. October is here, and this beautiful bag can be your free with any $39.50. And I shoot a little bit early this video. I have a few days off at work. It's a hurricane season in Tampa, and I'm home. I'm shooting this video, and again, we're gonna talk today about Estee Lauder gift with purchase, which one it's happened in October. And look at this beautiful bag, bright color, and I like it's no zip, it's just little two ribbon. I love color, it's vibrant, and it's have so many like details here, little perfume, little lipstick, and it's matching my outfit, which one I wearing today. I'm not yet sure day. Right here, when I knew day, it's gonna be right here. It's gonna tell you what the day, okay, what day we're gonna have. I believe it's around like August, maybe 10, 12, but I'm not sure. I will put later on day when I knew exactly. But let's talk what you're gonna have. We're gonna have two different gifts from Estee Lauder, and I really like how Estee Lauder doing. They always put inside a little paper or it's showing, telling you what product inside and how to use, because a lot of brands don't do this, and I think this is very important. Yes, I know you're watching my YouTube channel and you're watching, you will use this as cleanser, this is your daytime or nighttime moisturizer, or how to use, or a lot of people they buy, they don't even knew what the hell it is. Okay, we have two different gifts, and we all, and I knew you need to spend $39.50 to receive this, and you have choice, this one or this one, and I will open, I will show you what's inside. And of course we're gonna have a step up, and this is step up. I believe if you spend $85 you will receive gift and you will receive step up. Woohoo! Okay, let's see, let's open one bag and see what's inside. Again, you have a little brochure. It's telling you about products, how to use, what it does. Another little paper, it's telling you how big products, and what I like is if you ever traveling, say one of your gift with purchase for time when you travel, because it's perfect sizes. Okay, again we have beautiful pink bag, and we have inside moisturizer. It's pretty big size, revitalizing supreme moisturizer. This is your daytime moisturizer. Then you have a eye cream, nighttime repair. I love texture. I use it under my eyes, and I like to use on top of my eyelid. Give me good hydration, perfect if your skin dry and have a darkness on the eyes. Then we have a Future Aqua Brilliant foundation primer, and it's not silicone base, but give you nice like a cooling, very hydrating, like a more like a gel feeling top primer. Then we have with you nighttime repair, and if you don't know nothing about nighttime repair, all I can say it's #1 selling, I believe, serum in a planet. And when I talk with girls who in my industry, I think around like 90% of us will say, wow, it's an amazing product, it is very high technology in here. One minus, my personal minus for me, I just don't like how it smells, but you know what, I'm gonna shut my mouth, I'm gonna put on my face, because technology, ingredients, and what it does to your skin, it's amazing. And my favorite foundation is double wear, and I love to mix with my double wear, or like I use it sometimes this day and night. I love these products. And if you're traveling, you have everything here. You have fun day, or you have here moisturizer, eye cream, serum, a primer for your face. Then we have mascara, mini mascara, and it's sumptuous, extreme. It is pretty big brush. Ooh, and believe me or not, I personally don't care about mascara full size. I love this mascara in a mini version. It just feels way more better on my eyes, and my lashes looks better. I just love the sample. And then they put black color eyeliner, double wear, and it's a 24-hour eyeliner. It's traveling size, it's like half the regular size, and it's waterproof. Okay, it's our first gift, and again you need to spend $39.50 still, right? Okay girls, if you like this video, comments below, subscribe, and please give me an idea. Let me know what products you want me to review, or what gift you want me to review. I will be happy just make video for you. Okay, let's talk about second version. Okay, let's talk about second gift. This will be different moisturizer. We have here Resilience Multi-Effect Moisturizer. It's normal to combinational moisturizer, and its size, it's 15 milligrams or 0.5, I believe, ounce, and you can use this moisturizer neck, face, neck, and décolleté. And then we have another eye cream inside. It's the same advanced night repair eye cream, your smaller size in here. And this is again, it's a gel based eye cream, good hydration. Then we have a primer, will be the same primer as the previous gift. Again, it's a water based hydrating primer. Sometimes if I'm in rush, I will forget about moisturizer. I'll use this primer because give me right away this cool and watery hydrating effect to my skin. Nighttime repair serum, it's here, and difference between both of them. Okay, one, remember we have mascara, right, and we have their eyeliners. It's lip combo. We have lip liner here. Ooh, very pretty color. Oh my god, it's number 04 Rose. I love this lip liner. It's very soft color. I love this lip liner. I sell in this lip liner a lot. It's not moving, it stays very good. And we have a beautiful lip color, very neutral color. And let me check the name. This is lip color Pink Berry, and it's a lip color Pink Berry, and it's very pretty. I personally choosing lip 100% lip because I love this lipstick. Look at these little details. Oh, I need to find out who creates this collection. I do like this lip. It's just so pretty and it's unbelievable. And usually what do I buy? I will buy my double wear foundation and I will receive this gift. Oh, What else I do like from Estee Lauder? I love bronze from Estee Lauder. I love lip liner from Estee Lauder. I love blushes. I like eyeshadows. Ooh, fragrance. I have a good fragrance. It's a lot of products you can choose. If you have a hard time to choose what to buy, reach me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Styles, and I will give you some recommendation. Or also, I will put in this video like some items, some products I really like it, and you can decide if you want to purchase or not. Remember, it's coming from Nordstrom and it's free shipping. And if you buy something from my link, please reach me, because I always like to put extra stuff for you, okay? You supported me, girls, I'm supporting you. I have a lot of free goodies. I have a lot of good step-ups. Okay, one more gift I have for Estee Lauder for you. One more. Full-size cleanser for drier skin, and this is amazing cleanser. You need very little. It's a lot, and like it's a very good foaming cleanser. Again, normal to dry, and winter is coming. You will need this. Then we have a nighttime repair serum, but look at this size and this. This is like mini. It's a big size. And then we have a toner for drier skin. Remember, when you wash your face, your skin unbalanced. To balance, you need to use toner. Do not skip toner. Again, it's a 3 items. Will be your step up. You girls reach me, pre-sale with me. I will send you home your product. Again, it's free shipping, and I hope you enjoy this video. Again, I shooting this like in a very extreme weather conditioner. It's hurricane in Tampa, and since God, I have a couple days to make, not like one. I'm making 2-3 videos per day. Okay, love you all. Comments below, subscribe, reach me, and I will send you home your beautiful gift with your purchase. Bye everybody.